LUUKMONDE Facial Steamer. When it comes to our customers' satisfaction, we have one rule: settle for nothing but the best. That's why we work only with premium quality products and suppliers that are guaranteed to deliver to our high expectations. Why is this product for you? Because you believe beauty is not about makeup and artificial looks, but rather from the self-care you treat yourself with. From now on, you can take care of your skin in a professional, yet natural way with an at-home spa that will transform your skin through deep cleansing, the facial sauna. Just breathe in and indulge yourself with a moment of total relaxation with this wonderful device that will change the way you see skincare forever. Order now and enjoy a moment of relaxation while taking care of your complexion with the facial steamer. How to use E1. Put a proper amount of pure water into the vaporizer. You can also put in some essential oil. According to personal hobbies.Note, do not put in too much water exceed the max line. To put on the mask, insert 2 bulges in the slots on base, and rotate clockwise to fix the mask3 plug in and turn switch to 1 or 2 setting, to control general steam volume. For the steam control button on mask, is also used to adjust steam volume. 5. Put your face close to the steamer and enjoy your facial/nose spa treatment. 6. Remember to turn off and wipe dry the vaporizer after use. No leaving stagnant water to produce bacteria. Do not touch the vaporizer as it's hot right after heating. Note: use the facial steamer for the facial spa without nose inhaler in. The larger mask ensures that the entire face is steam fumigated. After adding the nasal inhaler, the steam can be concentrated to relieve stuffy nose and catarrh more efficiently. Package included 1 * facial steamer, 1 * nose/mouth inhaler attachment, 1 * measuring cup, 1 * user manual. Please read it before use. For the best skin, if you were looking for a natural and simple way to improve the aspect of your skin without having to invest a fortune in expensive treatments and trips to the salon, we are offering you our best-selling steamer for face that will forever change the way you see skincare, the facial sauna. Unclogging pores. One of the biggest problems women have with their skin is clogged and dilated pores. Stress, makeup, and the lack of a proper skincare routine are just a few of the causes that lead to this phenomenon, yet we have a simple and practical solution for you to do from the comfort of your own home: a facial sauna steamer that will open up and deep cleanse your pores. At-home facial. From now on, all you have to do in order to get a perfect facial at home is to relax and use the facial steamer that will take care of your skin, no matter if it's dry, mixed or oily. Moreover, our spa facial steamer doubles as a great aromatherapy device by simply adding your favorite essential oils. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.